So it's time for the Intense 5. Kinda hard to not make it all about the clash, so we won't even try. The shout out to Riri.
Hold on! Hey, I just got to big up Riri. She's on the live. Yeah. Riri, you see Mimi? Yo!
Riri, you see wee wee on your TV. Bounty, you win.
No, sir. The arrival of the police. This is how you know you were at a real dance. Only the peanut vendor was missing, okay? Yeah.
Bounty dancing with Disha, too cute.
The official clash. All when Beenie jump on Bounty with him and his face, priceless, okay? Look here. Priceless.
And finally, clash moment, the memes that followed. We're going to leave Beenie's belly out of it because he's working on it, but these guys worked fast. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Wish we have clashes like that every week, even after COVID.